Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Today I will again show you how Medit500 can help your K presentation of anything, but more or less this is the case to show that whether you use Invisalign or conventional orthodontist to talk to a patient about the reason that he or she or his or her daughter or son or husband need braces is, for example, in this particular video here, I'm showing you the upper arch of this 16 years old girl came with dad. As you can see, there is space between premolar canine and lateral incisor and central incisor. Space. And what interesting is you can see that 17 years old on the upper number 6 canine look pretty original. There is no wear and tear. But if you look at the number 11, that we have the cusp is gone. There is a pattern of wear and tear from the grinding of this early state of grinding patient. You can see the central incisor also have a pattern, have a sign of wear and tear at the incisor edge. So that is for the upper. Although they have, interesting enough that they haven't had the second molar come in yet. Okay, so this is the other issue I explained to the dad that with 16 and a half, typically you should see the second molar that coming in like this, but because it's not very active, so the second molar is still in there. That's one way to educate a patient about exercise and everything. One more thing, I'm going to start showing you the bottom arch. Look at the bottom arch. This is the reason why a patient needs braces. As you can see that there is space between number 22 and number 23, and also space between on the right side, small space between number 27 and number 28 and 29, space there. Also there's space between number 23 and number 24. So what caused the what make me explain to a patient why a patient need braces? Because you can see this is 16 and a half years old, already have a wear and tear of number 22 incisor edge gone. Right here 23, 24, all worn out from the habit of parafunctional habit at the evening because of the malocclusion. So you would say that, whoa, 17 years old, that's too young to have problem. 16 years old, too young. But as you can see, if I don't have a chance to point out to a parent about the problem can arise in the next few years or the next 10, 15 years later, is these gonna be really short canine. And that's too early for 16 years old. So we're gonna go back to the occlusion now. You see, she have a nice smile. I told her that her teeth is pretty good, but the problem is the wear and tear, worn out of the incisor of the canine, upper canine number 11, and also the lower canine of number 22 and 24, 25, 22, 23, 24, 25, because of the space that she has. So if you don't have a perfect class 1 occlusion, you will have grinding problem. So that's how you show the patient the using Medit500. See the deep bite? Patient have very severe deep bite. If you look at the from the view, that from her tongue view, completely deep bite, almost like 80% deep bite. That's the reason why. So when you correct the closing the gap, the deep bite disappear, improve another 30-40%, you're gonna have a great chance of reducing the grinding problem for the patient. Anyway, guys, Medit500 is the powerful tool to present the treatment presentation to the patient, and for the study model purpose. A lot of things you can learn from this. Thank you for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.